Oh my god, this literally looks like my real hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a U-part wig body wave Shein install. So this is so nice, and if you want to see more, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start this install by using SlowSunday's Lip Care. This is a little Selfcare. This is from Shein as well. It's such a nice little lip balm. I already tried it out, so it looks like this. This is the packaging. So cute. It looks like a little honey pot, and it even comes with this little wand, like the honeycomb. So cute. So as y'all can see, I've already been using it. So we need to put a little lip balm on these dry lips. Lip balm link down below too. So moisturizing. Okay, let's get into this wig from Shein, you guys. Shein really has nice affordable human hair wigs. So this is a U-part wig. U-part wigs are one of my favorites because it really does help with growing your hair and having minimal leave out, and such a quick, easy go-to style. So I wanted hair that was a little shorter this time. I believe this is a 16-inch body wave U-part wig. I feel like it's not too thin, not too thick, so it's a good density, and the body wave texture on here is really, really nice. So here's the hair, and then here is the U-part shape of it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this little part on here, and I'm going to cut out this little thing, and we're going to install. It's going to be very, very easy. Also included in here is a user guide and some wig caps if needed. Okay, so I went ahead and cut the little part that was in there. So the construction of this cap is the, what are these, the clips, and then you have the side combs as well, and then you have that bottom comb. So what you're going to do is just simply unsnap everything, and then my hair is prepped. I already did my U-part shape. This is my leave out, and then I just did 2 braids on each side and put them back into this little janky bun because I don't have any like clips to clip them on the side, so I just did a little low pony, like a little low bun. So go ahead and install this. Make sure I'm getting this on here. Get a little closer. This one's really snug. Okay. Okay, so there's the hair. Okay, this is literally perfect length because I didn't want super long hair this time. So I'm really, really happy about how this is. So to do a super simple install, I typically like to tuck my hair. I don't like to leave too much leave out because I try to be as heat free as possible. So I'm just going to be doing the middle part. And also guys, what I wanted to share with you guys is this SlowSunday from Shein as well. This is their coffee and dead sea salt body scrub. This is going to be good too for self-care, for those days where you're pampering yourself and getting yourself together. Just like today for my hair, you know, we're doing our skincare, we're doing our lip care, and we're just really feeding into ourselves and making ourselves feel good and beautiful. You know, as a mom, it really is important to take care of ourselves, but even as a woman, just making yourself feel good, and you want to make sure you have nice soft skin with good pretty hair as well. So this is the scrub, and I always love to exfoliate like at least once a week. Doing a good exfoliation is great for removing dead skin cells. Here's the packaging. Gonna go ahead and lift that off. Ooh, the texture of this is really, really nice. So can't wait to use this. It smells so good. Okay, I'm using this for my shower tonight. Can't wait. This would be bomb if they had a body butter too. I gotta look back on the website because this smells so delicious. Okay, so we're doing a middle part. Okay, so I did decide that I actually want to curl my leave out, so I do have my flat iron. Just doing the slightest little, you know. Y'all, this is so quick and easy. Just quick and easy. Like, U-part wigs are really the go-to. I'm only doing one pass. I'm not trying to use a lot of heat. You could go ahead and curl the rest of the hair if you wanted to. I kind of want to just do the body wave look, like a part of me does, but like, I don't know. Maybe we'll go ahead and just throw in the rest of the curls. Hold on. The body wave texture was really pretty though. So pretty. So as y'all can see, this hair can hold heat. It's human hair. Shein has human hair for the low. And I always like body wave because it just adds a little bit more texture versus getting silky straight hair, especially if you're somebody with curly hair. I would recommend body wave versus just silky straight, just so your hair can blend a little bit more, especially your leave out. Okay, this is really the perfect length. It's so crazy. When I was younger, I wanted, you know, in my 20s, the super long hair, and now I just want something like mid-length, not too long, nothing crazy. Especially with a baby that likes to pull my hair. Yeah, need something just simple. I just throw in the most laziest curls. I like a little lazy curl look. Wow, this honestly looks like my real hair. Like, this looks so good. Let me know this whole time that I should have been doing a body wave with like a shorter length and then this thickness. So perfect. So we're gonna finish it off with this hair edge control gel. This is from Shein as well, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I've been using this for like a week already. I love it so much. This is such an amazing gel, providing long-lasting shine and volume. Look how much I've already used. Like, I was supposed to wait to use this for filming, but I was like, nah, this is too good. Like, I've already been using it. So it's like this nice gel. I swear it really helps with laying down the edges. Oops. So I'm just gonna do 2 little swoops. That's it. Nothing crazy. Take the gel. I love how it just automatically like lays the hair. Like, you can tell it's gonna lay real nicely. And it really does add like a nice little sheen to your hair. Bomb. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. I was worried at first, since it's not like a super thick gel, that it would be watery and like make my hair revert, but it doesn't at all. Like, it has pretty good hold and no reverting. So this is my final look. I really love this. Shein did that. Like, this hair is really, really gorgeous. So I will have everything linked. I will also have a discount code so you guys can save money off of your purchase. I will put it on the screen for you guys, and also in the description box, and direct links to all of these products. Really love them. Thank you again, Shein, for sending me over these items, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.